Hi, I'm Jeff with the Precision Replacement Parts with a tech tip today concerning calls we get from time to time about gasket fitment. The first thing you want to do is verify that you have the right part for the right application. Second, if it's a body first gasket, meaning it goes on the body before you put the glass in, you need to do it that way. And the way you can tell it is, one type, you takes a lock strip like this and then it goes in and that holds the glass in. The other type is a self-locking, which has a flap right here that'll hold the glass in once you put the glass in. And these go on the body first. One of the main concerns we get a lot is about the length of the actual gasket. And we put this one on the body, and this example is a WCR 605. And as you can see, it appears to be too long, which is done by OEM design. Now what Greg's going to be doing here is actually working it back on, and you have to push it back into the corners to take up the extra length. Now we'll put some tape down here just to hold it in place, and we're ready to put the glass in.